Hello students. Today again we are taking here a question from cash book, but it is from double column cash book in which cash and bank columns are there. So this is the question here, and we have how to solve this. As we know that there are in two column cash book, all the columns are the same, like date, particular, ledger folio, cash. This in single column, but one more column is there of bank. It may be sometimes of discount also. Okay, and these same columns are here on the credit side. So this is debit side, this is the credit side. And I told you if amount this cash is increased, that is shown, that is debit entered here. If bank is increased with some transaction, it is entered here debit side. Means cash or bank increases with which transaction they are entered on the debit side, and which cash or bank balance reduces, those are entered in credit side. Okay, so we are taking this question. So here, enter the following transaction in cash and bank columns. April 1st, balance in cash 2000 and at bank 12,000. So balance is, as I told you to you on our last lecture, that bank balance or cash balance, we show it here. Sometimes it happens that overdraft is there. We have withdrawn more than what we have in bank, so it is shown here overdraft because it has gone more. Here it is our money with the bank, and it is our money with our with our business. Okay, so this is there, bank 2000, 12,000. Now come the transaction next. Cash received, cash from Madhav. So cash received, so this will be entered in the debit side. 1,800 cash from Madhav. On 3rd we have received, we have entered it here. Then cash sale 1,000 is given. With the sale, amount is coming into the business and a cash will increase. So on 5th we'll show sales here. 5th sales 1,000 rupees, we have entered it here. Then comes on 6th, purchased by check 745. When we purchased, money has gone to them, but it has gone from bank. So in bank column, it will shown on the credit side 745. So here on 6th, by purchases from bank it has gone. So in bank column we will show it here. Okay. Then comes paid into bank on 9th April, paid into bank 1,850. So when we paid into the bank, our cash in business, it is reduced, and in bank it has increased. So I show you when it is increased, it is shown here. So in bank it is increased, so bank column we have shown it here. To cash on 9, to cash 1,800. But from cash it has been reduced, so in cash we will show it here. To by bank 1,850. When such type of entry is there, when from cash to bank or bank to cash, we are withdrawing from bank or we are depositing into bank, and those transactions are entered in the both side of this cash book, one in cash column and another in bank column. So such transaction we write it here as C. Okay, this C matlab contra entries. So now the another one, this is one the paid into bank. Now 10th, paid cash for freight. We have paid cash, so cash has decreased 54 rupees. So in cash column 54 rupees, 10th by freight. Okay, then comes the next one, 12th, drew from bank for office use 600 rupees. Here we are withdrawing for office use. So cash is increasing with our business. है ना. So here 600 in cash is increasing to bank 600, or from bank it is decreasing. Okay, so here 600 by cash. Okay, so here it is also to be on 12th, it is 600. So we have to show here contra. Okay, now come issue the check 13th. Issued a check in favor of Messrs Arun and Sons for 985. Here we are issuing a check for 985, means now the balance from the bank will reduced here. So here 985 Arun and Sons on 13th, we had shown it here. Okay, now come to the next one. Paid into bank 715, means deposited into bank. So here again the contra entry. When we are paying from into the bank, our cash will reduced 715. Here our cash is reduced in cash column 715 by bank. We have put and because cash is decreased, and in here bank column we can see it here that 715 are deposited into bank. So bank has bank balance is increased. So on 16th it is. Now come into the next one, 17th. Drew cash from his son's birthday party 175. 175 is withdrawn by the owner for his son's birthday party from the business. So cash is reduced by 175. So 175 by drawings 175, because he is withdrawing for the personal use. Okay, 175 here. Then come the next one. 19th, received a check from Naveen 380 and deposited into bank on the same day. So 380 is deposited into the bank on the on that day 19th. So bank is increased. So 19th we will show it here now, but we have received a check from Naveen and 380 has increased into the bank. So it is shown here. Now cash sale is 200. Cash is increased by this. So sales 200 rupees. Then drew from bank for office use 200 rupees. We have withdrawn for bank. This is also contra entry 200. So cash is increased by 200. Here C, and C will put to bank 200 rupees. On cash column it is increased, and here from bank we can see it here on bank 200 rupees. It is decreased from bank. Then come the next one, purchased furniture for 1000 and payment made by check. So here we are buying furniture and cash is going from business. Cash balance is reduced in business. So it will be shown in bank column here, credit side, bank balance is reduced to 1000 and on for buying furniture. To buy furniture account, okay, 1000. Then comes the next one, Naveen check dishonored. Bank charges 5. Now here we can see when Naveen has given here check. We can see on 19th we had deposited into bank 380. So when this check is dishonored, 5 rupees bank charges were paid by us. So this will be borne by the Naveen because it is his mistake, and his check is dishonored. So 380 he will pay for this and 5 rupees for bank charges. So Naveen is debit for that. So Naveen in bank column will show 385. Then comes the next one. Purchased business premises, payment made by check 12,000. So here we have paid by check. So balance in bank has reduced by this 12,000 we shown here by premises on 29th. Now come on 30th, received check from 675 from Harish. When we have received check from 675 from Harish, it is given, but no information is there whether we have deposited it on the same day, so it will be or we have not deposited. So we will assume that we have deposited it on the same day. So 675 we can here by Harish 675. So now when we total up this thing, we will see that in this cash, this balance is always more. Okay, so we will total up this thing, this side, debit side in cash column. It comes 5,800, and when we deduct these amount payments, this is opening balance and how much amount we received. This is the total of cash opening balance plus cash received, 5,800. Out of that we spend this much of money. So at last this money is left 3,181. This is the closing balance of this month. Okay, this month April. Okay, this balance we will take here next month on April 1st, May 1st, 1,081 will take it here. Okay, now come to the bank column. In this bank column, debit side may be more, and sometimes sometimes credit side can also be more. If debit side is more, means we have got our money with the bank. If credit side is more, means we have spent more than what there was our balance with the bank. So it means we are we have overdrew the money. So in that case there will be overdraft. So here in this case what is happening, our credit total of bank column means we have spent more money here, that is 15,915 we have spent, and what the opening balance was and how much amount we have deposited, it was less. So in this case, first of all we will total up that side which is more. We will have to see that here credit side is more, we will total up it first, and then we will find the balance, how much debit side is less here. It is less by 2,295 rupees. It means the bank has paid us more, means on our behalf bank has paid 295, means now we have to return this money back to the bank. So this is bank overdraft. So we will take in the next month, we will this will be the opening balance overdraft. If our balance is there, it is taken this side, and if we have to pay, then it is taken this side. So overdraft opening balance we have taken it here. Next month again the transaction will take place, and whatever we have received will be entered, will be deposited and received by our bank, will be entered in debit side, and whatever is paid will be entered on credit side, and then again the balance will be taken. Okay, thank you.